We're in. Kevin, let's get a move on. You shot him, man!
Put your hands up! Do it now!
Welcome to the world. We're gonna get you back on your feet.
I just want to make things right with Beth and Lindsay. Frank. Oh my gosh, you're so big.
Do you have anything you're really good at?
Not really.
What about picking locks? Mom told me you were the best.
I'm in trouble, Miller.
April. I wish I never brought him there that night.
I need money to start a new life. Then you'll have made it up to me.
Are you out of your mind?
I owe her.
Not like that.
Another mistake and you're...
Watch your six out there, fellas.
Beth, they took her.
Leon. You find her before they find you.
I gotta handle this on my own.
Throw that gun over here!